guys, welcome back. My name is Gigi. Thank you so much for stopping by today, guys. Today's video about you guys are clean with me. Some of you already know that we moved, so this is the situation I'm dealing with right now. This morning the kids started school, so they finally started school, and this is how they ate in the house. So I figured, oh my God, this is so bad. I really need to clean up this house and make space, because once they start coming with homework and stuff, we're not gonna have no space. So we had everything all over the place. As you can see, the kitchen is a mess, everything is a mess. So I wanted to make sure that they are clean up. So after I dropped them off of school, I came back and started tackling all of the mess. So stay tuned. You guys gonna have so much fun watching me getting this house together. So let's get to it.
If I'm the bad one, take a look at yourself in the mirror. If I'm the worst one, ask anybody else who they prefer. If it comes down to me and you, I think that you are the one with a bad attitude. Why start a conflict? You got no clue. Tell me, what is your problem? All is rumors you spread. Doesn't make you feel good too. Cause bloodshed. 'Cause I don't really get it. The rumors that you spread it. Can see what happened. I mean, we used to be friends a while back now. I know you're trapped in, you ran into a deep end, a real breakdown. You are imbued with jealousy. Why would you otherwise be charging so hard at me? Why start a conflict? Can't you see that I'm not your problem? All is rumors you spread. Doesn't make you feel good too. Cause bloodshed. 'Cause I don't really get it. The rumors that you spread it. I don't really get it. I don't. You shoot in the dark, 'cause you got nothing on me. You try to light a spark, but I won't fall for that. I won't fall for that. All these rumors you spread doesn't make you feel good too. Cause bloodshed. 'Cause I don't really get these rumors you spread doesn't make you feel good too. Cause bloodshed. 'Cause I don't really get it. The rumors that you spread it. I don't really get it. I don't.
I don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's
All right, right, so I wanted to jump in and tell you guys that no, your ice is not tricking you. This sink is white. Yes. So I think that the previous owner, they painted the sink and spray painted the faucet. So I don't usually, we never seen that before. So that was a first for me. But we don't, that's one of the reason why I didn't like the kitchen, is because of that reason. Even the countertop, I think they painted that too, or put uh, some type of sheets on it. I don't know, maybe it's for countertops, it's specifically for that, I'm not sure. So that's what it looks like, and I wanted to show you guys. Even the stand that you guys see in the sink, obviously in front of you guys, I washed it, but I think the paint kind of make things stains in there. So I was showing you guys the all-purpose cleaner that I'm gonna be using to wipe the countertop. Being that I don't know what they use on the countertop, I didn't want to use any type of spray to damage it until I fix the countertop, until we make it our own. So I wanted to use something that's not too harsh on it.
I don't know what to find, I don't know what to look for. Can you give a clue? You and your beat up guitar always seem to move me like a superstar. What's the story about you? What's the story behind that sad tattoo you're trying to hide? I think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I am so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight. Seven of you and only one is for real. You spin me around and you make me leave. Seven of you and only me. How can I trust your personality? Seven you and only one is for real. Let me be the one that makes you feel. Seven you and only me. Seven you and only one is.
Alright guys, so now that the kitchen is in much better condition, we're gonna move into the breakfast nook in the family room. The breakfast nook is where I put the table that I had in the other house. So we can sit and kind of like, this is where we eat and stuff like that. But the family room, we didn't have a couch for it, because the other couch from the other house wasn't good. It was broken, even though you guys couldn't see it, but it was actually broken, so we had to throw it away before we move. So this house have no couch. Even the one in the basement, we gave it away. So we had it for a long time, and it was passed down to us, so we thought that maybe it'll be best to get a newer one now. So we're gonna get couch for the den, which is the big area upstairs, and we're gonna get a couch for this room. Actually, we already have a couch for this room. We bought a couch for the den, but since I haven't find something that I really like for this room yet, we're gonna use it in this room. So you guys will see it in the other video, because we already ordered it, and it's gonna be delivered soon, which is why I got really motivated to clean up and get the boxes out the way, because the couch was coming.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, I so high, stay.
So what shows are you guys hooked on right now? Because I am hooked on The Game, which is what I'm watching right now. I see you, if you can see me stopping and watching here and there. I think that show is so funny. I used to love watching it back then. I don't know if you guys remember it, but it was this football show, The Game. It's called The Game, and it's Melanie and Derwin, and it was so fun, so funny to me. So once they put it on Netflix, I started watching it. I'm at my last season right now, so any shows recommendation, put them down below, because this one is almost done and I need to find me a new show to watch. So let me know what show you guys are liking right now.
We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, I'm so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy.
Alright, you guys, so I wanted to conclude by saying thank you so very much to all of you who congratulate us and compliment us on the house. I am grateful and blessed to have you guys, and I know I haven't met any of you yet, but most of you guys are always there for me and always commenting, always watching my videos, and I feel so blessed to have you guys in my life. So I wanted to stop by and say thank you. So to all of you who already subscribed, don't forget your notification bell, so that way you keep on continuing on the journey with me, fixing my house, decorating my house and stuff. So don't forget to do that. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you and to have you join the family. And don't forget to leave me a comment below, introduce yourself. I love to talk to you guys. And don't forget to like if you like the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Now sneakers.